guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be going to make our main source of the water. Because of this extreme weather out here, it is really cold and the water is not coming. So we're going to make that, and we have to walk a lot up the hill
to fix the pipe.
Yeah. Okay.
To fix the pipe.
And we're wearing hat. She's not wearing anything. She's just wearing the gloves. The gloves, the hat.
That keeps you safe.
Okay.
Hey, are we going to get the gate key? It is so freezing cold out here.
Why? Why this?
Catch! The sun is here. It is so freezing cold out here. Oh my god. There is sun at the same time. Please go.
This is this.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh fuck. It's really cool. We're waiting for a mom and dad. They're not coming at all. Okay, so we're going now. Everybody's here. Look at this, guys. So Bhutan is a clean country, right, Mom? Yeah. We're going. Thank God there is no leeches over here. If it was in our village, already we would be stuck by 100 leeches. There are two ways.
Yeah.
Okay, go here. I'll go there. Look at the logs. So we should reach the vehicles road. The road is up there. You see it? Ow. Yeah. Ah! So there are thorns. Look at these. What are you doing?
Just finding a stick.
Look, it's such a beautiful place up here. Okay, we reached up here.
Oh, here, look. Oh, so good. It looks beautiful.
Ice. We have to climb up here, and then that is the way. Steps. These are all bamboos. Acorn. Look at this. The leaves are shining because it's all frozen. Look at this big tree. Wow. Extraordinary forest. Look at these. Yeah.
Looks like an oak tree, but it's not an oak tree.
Bro, you need to put this. I don't know, what is this thing? There we go. Ow, so close. Everybody's looking sideways. What is she shouting? She's screaming. We're going back. Okay, so guys, when it's winter, we do this stuff. Like, water will not come real good. The water will stop because of the ice. Extreme weather. And then our brothers, they cut some wood for firewood. Bye guys! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. So we'll see you guys in our next video. The next video is going to be of us going to Limerick and Paro